by the tiny explorers, hooray!
Hi friends, my name is Rayyan, and today we're going on a wild adventure through Africa. Guess what? We're going to meet some amazing African animals. Are you ready to roar with the lion, stomp with the elephant, and gallop with the zebra? Let's go explore and learn together. Come on.
Lion. The king of the jungle. Lions have loud roars and big manes. They live in groups called prides and love to nap in the sun. Elephant. The biggest land animal on Earth. Elephants have long trunks, big floppy ears, and love to splash in water. Giraffe. The tallest animal in the world. Giraffes have long necks to eat leaves from tall trees and walk gracefully on long legs. Zebra. Black and white and easy to spot. Zebras have stripy coats that help them stay cool and confuse predators. Cheetah. The fastest runner on land. Cheetahs can zoom across the grasslands and have black tear marks under their eyes. Hippopotamus. Big and heavy, but loves the water. Hippos spend most of their day in rivers and can open their mouths really wide. Rhinoceros. A strong animal with a big horn. Rhinos have thick skin and love to roll in the mud to stay cool. Crocodile. Snap, goes the croc. Crocodiles live in rivers and swamps. They have sharp teeth and strong tails. Buffalo. Big and tough with strong horns. African buffaloes move in herds and are not afraid of predators like lions. Baboon. A monkey with a colorful face. Baboons live in large groups and love to run and climb in rocky places. Meerkat. Small and always on the lookout. Meerkats stand tall on their back legs to watch for danger in the desert. Warthog. A wild pig with pointy tusks. Warthogs have funny faces and love to roll in the dirt and run fast. Hyena. Known for their laughing sounds, hyenas are strong hunters and live in groups called clans. Chimpanzee. Smart and playful, chimps use sticks as tools, love to swing in trees, and live with their families. Ostrich. The biggest bird that can't fly. Ostriches run super fast and lay giant eggs in the sand. Flamingo. Pretty and pink, flamingos stand on one leg and get their pink color from the food they eat. African gray. Parrot. A talking bird with a smart brain. These parrots are gray with red tails and can learn words and sounds. Chameleon. A color-changing lizard, chameleons have curly tails, sticky tongues, and eyes that move in different directions. Tortoise. Slow and steady wins the race. Tortoises carry their homes on their backs and live a very long time. Python. A big snake with no venom. Pythons wrap around their prey and love warm, sunny spots.
Wow, that was amazing. You met so many cool animals today. From the stripy zebra to the sneaky crocodile. African animals sure are wild and wonderful, aren't they? Remember, every animal is special, just like you. Thanks for joining us on this jungle adventure. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and come back soon for more fun and learning. Bye-bye, tiny explorers. Roar you later!